Alright guys, so we have to do a little test run with the exhaust system on the car. So we're going to have the valves open. It is open right now, just to double check. We're going to test it out and see what it sounds like. Awesome guys, so the exhaust sounds awesome on the car. There's no drone, I can't hear anything in the inside of the cabin. I don't think you can hear anything on the outside. So let's close the valves. Awesome, so with the valves closed on the exhaust of the car, so it's for when you're driving through the neighborhood or you're driving through the city and you don't want the exhaust system to be loud, if you want to annoy people.
I don't even know what happened.
Oh, fucking give me that.
Don't touch my phone.
Don't you fucking dare. I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops on that person who just about took my...
The loud exhaust system is just purely for the driver. Let's go up and down and see what it sounds like. With the valves closed, it sounds very tame. I think it's very manageable if you're driving through the neighborhood. I hope you enjoyed this short little video we did with the exhaust system on the car, and I'll see you guys soon for your own Valvetronic system.